Hello guys, so this video I'll show you how to be the leader. So right here you just find a gold container and you keep on punching it. So if you're like people don't whoa, yeah, that's how you be the leader. Like you find a container that does not explode and then like that. Yeah, right now I'm the grenader. Isn't that cool? Blue. Joker. Lock the Joker. Open it. It's nothing that I like. Okay, so let's take that CZ thing. No, I mean CZ381. So look at this. Okay, so right in that red. Yeah, so this video is about how to be a leader. So bye.